Hi class, I'm Bonyatif Productions. Today we're doing 32-page French. Dora. Did you really burp?
Nope. I didn't.
Don't lie to me, Dora. You just burped. Go to the principal office right now.
Rag Animate, you're the principal?
Yes, I am. So, why are you here?
I burped in class.
Dora. I can't believe you burped during in class. That's it. You're expelled. Go home now.
Dora. I can't believe you burped in class and got expelled. That's it. You're grounded for 123,456,789,123,456,789. Go to your room right now.
It's not fair. Why?